So we got this situation. Now look at this, how we will approach this question. So if you will observe this part, you can observe that it is x plus y power n minus x minus y power n. Okay. Now, so the point is, you know that if we will expand this entity, you will have positive, positive, positive everywhere. If you will expand this thing, you will have positive then negative, positive then negative, positive then negative. Correct? Now, if you will subtract first from, if you will subtract A and B, you will have what? You will have 2 times odd lower subscript. Correct or wrong? Correct now? Means the point is, you will have, look at this part. So can I write this thing as 2 times 5c1 root 5 power 4 1 power 1 plus 5c3 root 5 power 2 1 power 3 5c5 root 5 power 0 and 1 power 5. Okay, so if we will add, we will have even lower subscript. If we will subtract, we will have odd lower subscript. Okay, now simplify these things little bit more. So 5c1 is 5 and root 5 to the power 4 is 25. Now 5c3, so 5 4, 3 factorial, 3 factorial gone, we are left with 2 factorial, and root 5 square is 5. Let's simplify a little bit more. 5c5 is 1, root 5 power 0 is 1, 1 power 5 is 0, 1, sorry, 1 है ना. Now look at this. So can I write this thing as 25 into 5 is 125 plus it's a 50 plus 1, so it is 2 times 176. So if you will multiply 176 with 2, you will get 352. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.